Welcome to 110 Seneca Place here on Lake Norman. One of the places I want to start off showing you guys is the kitchen. It has a beautiful island. It's quartz, seamless. We also have Thermador refrigerator, custom cabinets, and then we also got the Thermador stove, gas range, dual ovens, and a farm sink. Another beautiful thing about this house is that we have a sliding glass door that leads out to the patio area from the kitchen. Has a beautiful view of the lake. And we also have a fireplace, so it's a great area to use whether it's cold or hot outside. Great for entertaining. Welcome to the master where the magic happens. One thing I want to point out is the view of the lake that you have. Walking over to the closet, we have sliding barn doors that opens into a walk-in closet. You have marble countertop island in the middle, spaces to put your Louis Vuitton purses underneath, or Chanel if you prefer. Tons of space to hang your clothes. Next is we have the master bathroom. One of the first things that you notice when you walk in is that you have a bay window with a soaking tub. A cool feature about this bathroom is you actually have heated floors, so when it's winter time you can still keep your toes cool. Looking at the shower, we have dual head showers with the raindrop shower in the middle. Downstairs, you have a walkout patio with a full kitchen. You have a mini fridge, sink, and a built-in grill. It's a really good area if you like to entertain or maybe you like to throw parties, especially because you have this beautiful view. A house on the lake wouldn't be complete without a covered dock. We also have a nice patio area here. You can put some chairs, and if you had a long day on the lake, it's definitely a cool place to hang out. So if you're about that lake life, this house is definitely for you.